Okay.
It's the old version.
This is the one we need.
Barbie!
Bobby.
Hi, Cam.
Try not to make it too stuff here, yeah?
Sure, Cam.
That's fine. This is a tune, lads.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. None of plastic.
It's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl
In a Barbie world, I'm plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. All right.
Well, we're just getting started.
What do you think of that? Why?
It's a bad song.
Why is it? All right, hold on.
He has to
This
sing it.
shush.
He has
This
to sing it.
shush for 1 minute.
It's a bit sus.
Let's discuss. Why is it a bad song to you?
Girls! Tough enough.
You're not alive until you start kicking. When the room is spinning and the words aren't sticking.
You might have to get your teeth replaced. Imagine that.
New glasses as well.
Boys, don't cry, don't
And the
cry.
radio's all about a runaway model with a face like sin and a heart like a James Joyce novel. Saying sister, how I missed you. Let's go wrist to wrist and take the skin off of a blister.
You're only soft.
Well, put the boys in the better land. You're always talking about the boys in the better land. The boys in the better land. Put the boys in the better land. You're always talking about the boys in the better land. The boys in the better land. You're not alive until you start kicking.